guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we'll discuss another interesting topic in Facebook ads, and that is how to use Creative Hub tool. So Facebook will provide us a tool through which we can see how our ad will showcase to our visitor without creating any campaign, and we can send it to the client so that they will able to know how it's showing to the visitor. If there is some changes needed, then we can do earlier and then we can create the campaign. So in today's video I will let you know how to use that. So without wasting any time, let's dive into the video. Thank you.
Hello guys, as you know, today our topic is how to use the Creative Hub tool in the FB Ads Manager account. So in today's video I will let you know what you can do with the help of this creative tool and how you can use them, and then use the same in our campaigns as well. So first of all, for using the Creative Hub tool, we just need to go to the all tool section, and where, as you can see, there are a lot of options there: Ad Manager, Automated Routes, Creative Hub, Billing, Payments, Audiences, Billing Statistics, and there are a lot of options there. So you need to choose the Creative Hub. As you can see, we have a Creative Hub tool in the all tool section, and you just need to click on it and open it on a separate tab, and as you can see, it will redirect me to the Creative Hub dashboard, and it will take some time to load. And now, as you can see, we are on the Creative Hub dashboard, and here you'll see different options like start guide. If you are not able to know how to use it, you can use the start guide. As I'm able to create mockups. I have created earlier so many mockups, so I let you know how to do it. So basically it is created like Creative Hub is used to see how your ad shown on different placements in the FB ads. You can create a mockup and send it to the client so that they will have an idea like what kind of like how your ad will be showcased to the visitors in different feeds like Instagram Reels, Instagram feeds, Facebook feeds, app section. So there are a lot of feeds there, so you can create a mockup to send it to them. So first of all, you just need to click on the create mockup button, and once you click on that, it will redirect you to the ad placement where you can create your ad and see how it will show on different Instagram feeds. So you just first of all, you just need to use the page, and the second one, you just need to use the Facebook and Instagram pin. And after that, you can see we have two options: whether you want to create a carousel ad or a single image or video ad. You can choose it from here. I just want to see how you need to upload a video here, and just need to go to the video button, and then you can see we have different media on our page. We can use that as well. As I have use the page section, so you can use the ads or videos you have uploaded on your Facebook or Instagram page. You can use it from here, and if you have video or URL, you can paste it here. And if you want to upload something, then you can choose account option, and then you can click on the upload button and upload that video. As I have already uploaded on my page, so I will use the page option, and then I will just click on the skip and continue button. I just want to see whether and how our ad will be showcased in different feeds. So with the help of that, you have an idea like on which placement your video is doing good, like showing properly, or on which placement your video ad is not showing properly. Like to deliver to desktop right column, change the media. So it means this video is not appropriate with the size of this placement. It means we need to make some changes for this particular placement. And in the same case, as you can see, Facebook Instagram video, the length of a video is not supported, so you need to make it low. So with the help of this tool, Creative Tool, you are able to know how your ads will be showcased to the visitors in different platforms, and you don't need to create any campaign for that. You just need to do it here so that you have an idea, and you can accordingly make the changes in your video or image ad and then upload. Then you will create a campaign. So it will give you an idea, and with the help of that, you can see how your ad is showing to the visitors on different placement. And if some placement is not working good, you can make the changes in video ad. And after making all the changes, when you see all the things are doing perfectly, then you will proceed with the campaign creation and create the ad. So in the same way, you can share the same with your client as well. As here you will see the link. Once you will create like mockup in your Creative Hub account, and then you can send it to the client so that they have an idea how your ad is showcased to the user. So basically, Creative Hub is used for give an idea to the client or you as well, so that you have an idea how your ads are showcased to the visitors, and you can make the required changes earlier. Because if you will create the campaign and then see this thing has happened in this feed, then it will be too late. So you will make an adjustment firstly, and then you can create again. So I think now you're able to know how Creative Hub tool is used. So thank you so much for watching my video. If you have any query and concern, you can directly contact me to the number